Imagine detecting a species just by looking at the water they live in. Scientists have found a unique 28 nucleotide sequence in manatees that acts as a biological beacon, promising to revolutionize how we monitor endangered wildlife forever. Let's dive into the deep history first. About 6.5 million years ago, geological events split Amazonia from the Caribbean. Leading to the Caribbean leading 20 geological events split Amazonia from the Caribbean. Evolution of 3 distinct manatee species, each facing unique threats today. The breakthrough happened when researchers isolated a specific segment from body residues like saliva and exhaled water vapor. This unique DNA allows us to detect the animals without ever disturbing them in their natural habitat. Here is the magic technology a manatee-specific sequence activates. A manatee-specific sequence activates an enzyme called CRISPR, Cas, and 13. This triggers a visible fluorescence signal, instantly confirming the presence of these gentle giants in concentrated water samples. This discovery goes deeper than just detection. For the first time, scientists reported centromeric SAT DNA present across Sirenia, a group where all species are currently under serious threat of extinction worldwide. The implications are massive for conservation. By monitoring environmental DNA in water vapor and waste, we can track migration patterns and population health across the Americas with unprecedented accuracy and speed. Ultimately, this genetic marker transforms a fragile animal into a powerful tool. It proves that understanding their biology can give us the exact tools needed to protect them before it's too late. So this DNA beacon gives us a new way to see the invisible. How do you think technology like CRISPR will change wildlife conservation? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.